Hey, hello everyone. Got a Toyota Land Cruiser here, and I found it on an AliExpress store, or in an AliExpress store. Couldn't find it anywhere else, and I thought, let's give it a try. And now I received it. I already took it out the package, and it is really good. Let's see. Apparently, the name of the brand is Model 1. 164 scale collectibles limited edition. That is what we like. So here we got the package. Now you think this is a non-licensed product, but guess what? It says it's an official licensed product. Now everyone can place something like this on the package, of course, but for now I assume it's an official licensed product. Here we got the barcode and article number. Network Shuttle Model 1 Company Limited. Okay. Where it's from, shop, central market, doesn't say anything about a country. Dragon. Okay, not so important as the model itself, so let's take it out of the package, because I really want to show you how good it is. And I bought it for around €20. So it comes in a nice package with a display case, no screw. I like that. I think the screw is what bothers me the most from these display cases, but this one doesn't have it. So it's cool. As you can see, there is a roof rack. You have to glue it on or not. I think it looks cool the way it is now. Very good rolling wheels as well in the back as in the front. Let's switch to detail mode. So here on the side we got Toyota Land Cruiser. Fuel cap, probably. A nice side mirror. Land Cruiser. License plate, Lanced headlights, Toyota on the grille. Love the rims, by the way. Windows all over the side, front and back. No heating in the back window. Nice spare tire, rubber tire, painted rear lights. It's a right-hand drive. Steering wheel is a little bit in a weird position, but looks good. And the rest of the interior looks also good. No stuff in the back. I always say it's pretty cool if you, especially when you have an off-road car, that there is some stuff in the back, rope, shovel, axe, you name it. Snorkel here on the side. We got side mirrors with a silver sticker. And now the base. Okay, so the base is plastic. But yeah, I have to say this model is very cool. Good looking, not too expensive, comes in a nice package. I say this is definitely worth the money. Like I was saying, I put a link in the description of where I bought it. Be fast, be quick, because it was the only store on AliExpress where I found it. I did a little bit of search. The only other Land Cruiser that looks like this that I could find was in a 1/18 scale, but 1/64 scale apparently it's hard to get. Oh, almost forgot, it comes in two other colors, white and another black. White and black, if I'm right, it's white and black. White, camel color, black color. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you think. I'm going to the beach and I'm going to make some nice photos with this beauty right here. Have a good one. Bye.